10 beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income in 2025. Let me tell you something. 2025 is the year to break free. Whether you're new to passive income or think it's too complicated, this video will prove otherwise. Stick with me because I'm about to share 10 beginner-friendly ways to start earning passive income, even if you've never done it before. Without passive income, you're stuck trading time for money. One missed paycheck can disrupt your entire financial stability. But what if your money could work for you instead of the other way around? That's where these strategies come in. And don't worry, you don't need special skills or a huge upfront investment to get started. Let's jump in. Wait until you see the last one, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Number 1, renting out unused space with Airbnb or storage. Have a spare room, basement, or even a storage shed you're not using. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent out that extra space to travelers. Or if hosting people isn't your thing, try apps like Neighbor to rent out your garage or driveway for storage. Think about it. People are always looking for short-term stays or extra storage in urban areas, and you could easily turn that space into a steady income stream. Pro tip: make your listing stand out by including high-quality photos and offering small perks like free Wi-Fi or coffee. Number 2, selling stock audio or sound effects. Are you good with audio? Websites like Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound allow you to sell stock music or sound effects. Whether it's a catchy jingle or ambient nature sounds, creators are constantly looking for high-quality audio to use in their projects. You can start with basic recording equipment and simple editing software like Audacity or GarageBand. The beauty of this is that one good sound file can be sold repeatedly. Number 3, rent out your car through platforms like Turo. Do you own a car you don't use every day? Apps like Turo let you rent it out to others when it's just sitting in your driveway. For example, renting out a car for $50 a day, even just 10 days a month, could bring in $500. Just make sure your car is clean, reliable, and meets the platform's requirements. Pro tip: install a GPS tracker and insurance coverage for extra peace of mind. Number 4, creating low-maintenance websites. Even if you're not tech-savvy, website builders like Wix or WordPress make it easy to create websites. Build niche sites on topics you're passionate about, add affiliate links, or even sell ad space. For example, you could create a blog about budget travel and earn income through ads and sponsorships as your traffic grows. Pro tip: use tools like Google Trends to identify niche topics that people are searching for but aren't overly competitive. Number 5, investing in fractional real estate. Real estate doesn't have to mean buying a whole property. Platforms like Fundrise and Arrived Homes let you invest in properties for as little as $10. You'll earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. It's a low-barrier way to get started in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Number 6, selling digital assets. Like Canva templates. Everyone loves Canva for designing social media posts, resumes, and presentations. But did you know you can sell your own Canva templates? Design something useful like wedding invitations or business pitch decks and sell them on Etsy or your own website. Once it's created, it becomes a digital product that can be sold repeatedly. Number 7, renting out your equipment. Have expensive equipment like cameras, power tools, or even party supplies just lying around. Use platforms like Fat Llama or ShareGrid to rent them out to people in your area. For example, renting out a DSLR camera for $50 a day could easily cover its cost within months. Pro tip: create a clear rental agreement and check IDs to protect your gear. Number 8, selling merch on niche platforms. Merch isn't just for big YouTubers anymore. Platforms like Teespring and Spreadshirt allow you to upload designs for t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. Find a niche audience, like gamers or fitness enthusiasts, and create designs that resonate with them. The platform handles production and shipping, so you only focus on the designs. Number 9. Publishing guided journals or planners. Guided journals and planners are hugely popular. Create one that helps people set goals, track habits, or plan their day. Use platforms like Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, to sell physical or digital copies. For instance, a mindfulness journal or a fitness planner can be a bestseller in its category, earning you passive income month after month. Finally, number 10, self-service vending machines. This one's a hidden gem. Invest in 1 or 2 vending machines and place them in high-traffic areas like schools, gyms, or offices. You'll earn money every time someone buys a snack or drink. The key is location. Partner with local businesses to set up your machines and restock them weekly. Pro tip: look for secondhand vending machines to reduce upfront costs and maximize profit. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more actionable tips on building wealth, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. Your financial freedom journey starts today.